An autonomous income system is the evolution of passive income. Instead of manually managing your store, content, or digital assets, AI takes over the majority of operations. These systems can research topics, create content, post on social media, respond to customer inquiries, update funnels, and even optimize their own performance, all without your daily oversight. Once you design the structure and connect the right tools, the system begins operating continuously, generating traffic, leads, and sales around the clock. Your role shifts from doing the work to simply monitoring performance and making strategic adjustments. This is the closest the digital world gets to hands-off income, and modern AI allows even beginners to build these kinds of systems quickly. A fully autonomous income system has 5 core engines that work together. The content engine produces ongoing digital assets, blogs, videos, graphics, newsletters using AI. The distribution engine posts, schedules, and republishes that content automatically across platforms. The traffic engine uses SEO and social algorithms to bring visitors into your ecosystem every day. The monetization engine converts that traffic into revenue through digital products, affiliate offers, or ad monetization. And finally, the optimization engine, powered by analytics and AI insights, monitors your performance and recommends adjustments. When these engines run together, they create a continuous loop: content, traffic, revenue, optimization, more content. This is how you build a machine that grows while you sleep. The first step of autonomy is removing yourself from content production and distribution. AI can generate scripts, blog posts, thumbnails, captions, newsletters, email sequences, and video edits instantly. Once created, automation tools handle publishing. You can schedule posts on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, X, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and your blog without ever logging in. Using repurposing tools, one piece of content can be transformed into 10 different formats automatically. For example, a YouTube script becomes a blog article, multiple short-form videos, an Instagram carousel, and an email newsletter, created and distributed without manual intervention. This creates daily output, which maximizes algorithm visibility and organic growth. The more content your system produces, the more traffic and revenue it generates. Once content brings in traffic, monetization must also run on autopilot. With AI and automation tools, every step of the customer journey, from discovery to purchase to support, can run independently. When someone buys your digital product, delivery is instant. When a subscriber joins your email list, AI-powered nurturing sequences automatically educate, engage, and convert them into paying customers. Chatbots handle support, refunds, FAQs, and product recommendations. Upsells, downsells, bundles, and cross-sells trigger automatically based on customer behavior. This means every visitor and buyer experiences a smooth, personalized journey with almost no manual work from you. These systems not only increase revenue, but also create brand loyalty and repeat purchasing, entirely on autopilot. You don't need to build a massive system from day one. Start with a single passive income stream, like a digital product, affiliate funnel, print-on-demand store, or faceless YouTube channel. Then, build an AI-powered content engine to support it. Add automation to distribute that content across multiple channels. Integrate monetization, email sequences, checkout automation, upsells, and chat support. Finally, plug in analytics tools and AI insights so the system can continue improving. Once one system is working and generating revenue, scaling is simple. Duplicate the model into new niches, new products, or new platforms. Each system becomes an asset that runs independently. This is how creators in 2025 plus build portfolios of autonomous income systems, small digital engines that run day and night with minimal oversight.